In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quit Capcut Pro in just 5 minutes. Now, whether you've decided to switch to a different app or you just want to take a break, cancelling your subscription can be a straightforward process. Let's dive into the steps you'll need to follow to make this happen smoothly. The first thing you need to do is grab your device and open up the app store that you used to purchase Capcut Pro. For most of us, that will either be the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. Opening the right app store is crucial since subscriptions are managed directly through your device's store settings. Once you've got the app store open, you'll want to direct your attention to your account profile. This is often found at the top right corner of the screen, so give that a tap. Next, look for an option labelled subscriptions, or sometimes it's called manage subscriptions. The wording varies slightly depending on your device, but it should be fairly intuitive to find. This section holds all your active and past subscriptions, making it the hub for managing any ongoing payments. In the subscription section, you'll see a list of services to which you've subscribed. Scroll through to locate the Capcut Pro subscription. Once you spot it, select it to get a detailed view of your subscription. Here you can see relevant details such as your billing period, the amount you're paying, and so on. Now on to the most crucial step, cancelling. Look for the cancel subscription button or a similarly worded option. It's usually highlighted to ensure you can easily find it. Tapping this will initiate the cancellation process. Soon after, you'll be prompted to confirm your decision. This is a standard procedure designed to prevent accidental cancellations. Take a moment to make sure this is what you want to do, and then go ahead and confirm. Once you've completed the cancellation, here's something important to note. Your Capcut Pro features will remain accessible to you until the end of your current billing cycle. This is typical of most subscriptions. You won't lose access immediately, so you'll still have a little extra time to enjoy your subscription benefits. That's all there is to it. By following these steps, you've successfully cancelled your Capcut Pro subscription. Whether you're scaling back on expenses, trying out a new app, or just taking a break from video editing, this guide should have made the process a breeze. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more handy tutorials.